All right, so today we're going to the range. I'm gonna be shooting a new shotgun that I got, making sure the red dot I got for it is sighted in and everything. Mostly gonna be shooting a PSA dagger that I just got done with. Haven't shot it too much, so we're gonna see how it does. And mostly gonna be shooting my AR, because tomorrow I have a nighttime operators class I'm gonna be doing. But first I had to stop by Academy and get some ammo. Trying to do better to stay stocked on ammo, but I go to the range pretty often, so let's see what they got. This is a pretty good deal right here. $90 for 200 rounds of 5.56. I think that's what I'm gonna get. I think this is like Academy's brand of ammo. It's a decent deal, but I've had a few issues from it, so I don't use it anymore. I recently got this deal right here. This is pretty good, but now I see that they got this Blazer, 200 rounds for $44. So I think I'm gonna go ahead. I don't really need any, but go ahead and buy some right now while the price is still pretty good. All right, so actually on the Blazer, one of the employees told me that they have on top of the deal that they're having, they have a $6 rebate that you can do online if you just upload your receipt. So I'm gonna do that. Hopefully it works. Either way, it was a good deal. I'm using Winchester Super X slug.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Down. Go a little bit left.
Yeah, that's
Just a couple clicks at a time. Oh snap. That thing blew my shell off the... It blew it off the match saver. Alright, see? This is why we're testing things out at the range first. So I made a rookie mistake and I forgot my magazine. So I had to buy a new magazine for my AR. I saw this one, seemed pretty cool. It's an aluminum magazine. It's OD green, which matches my AR. So I thought that was pretty cool. Open this up.
yeah.
That was like exactly the same green. Well, almost.
Yeah.
I don't know. It's still cool. Said I'm trying to get into reloading, so I got this thing to catch all the casings. We'll see how that works. Got it off of Amazon. So last time I shot the dagger, one of my magazines fell apart, and I realized what the issue was. So, and I even bought some different base plates. So we'll see if that happens again this time. And that was the first time I ever shot it, so it's kind of disappointing. But we'll see. We'll see how I do this time. All right, I'm just leaving the range. I think I got everything sighted in pretty well. I was having an issue with my pistol, with the saber dagger. Turned out to just be my grip. I'm used to shooting mechanic, and the grip's a little bit different. But it was hot in there. I'm tired. I'm gonna drink this ice cold pib and head home. So that's it.